Hello and welcome to my presentation. My name is Alexander Cole, and this is a general overview of the Tyson Foods Corporation. So first and foremost, Tyson Foods is a meat company that sells pork, beef, and chicken. More specifically, however, they provide these meats for purchasers in a multitude of ways, ranging from the unprepared to the fully prepared. So on one end of the spectrum, they sell raw commodities. These are minimally prepared meats like whole chickens intended for high volume purchasers that are generally going to use these for further preparations themselves. However, they additionally sell trays of packed meat and what they like to call value-added products. Now, value-added simply means that the meat has been partially or wholly prepared by the company. This could be anything from a pre-marinated chicken breast to a wholly cooked bag of buffalo wings intended for reheating. Now, in order to bring these meats to market and eventually in the hands of the consumer, Tyson has to conduct a variety of services. First off, this largely means meat processing. Meat processing is anything done with meat in order to make it suitable for human consumption. This is everything from lopping the head off a chicken to grinding it up, to grinding up ground beef. However, Tyson also has its hands in meat packing. Meat packing relates to those tray packs I discussed earlier, but could also be something like creating a huge shipment of raw chicken for another distributor, like for those raw commodities. Furthermore, Tyson also handles the transportation required to move their products from farm to market, and of course the variety of other different factories or laboratories or whatever exists in between. Now, what this should illuminate is that many of the component industries necessary to sell their products, like the slaughterhouses or the transportation companies, have been outright acquired by the company itself in order to reduce costs. Over the last several decades, Tyson has a long history of this practice. Alright, so some final points. The current CEO is a man named Donnie Smith. He's worked with the company for many years and has basically worked his way up from a relatively low supervisory position to where he is now. It's of note, however, that the Mr. and Mrs. Tyson behind the name of the company, Tyson, these guys are still actively involved in the board of directors. The headquarters is located in Springdale, Arkansas, but again, they operate many locations around the country. All right, thank you very much. Any questions to my presentation will be addressed following my more in-depth version in class. Thank you.